Okay, we're working on my paddleboard, SUP, and we are putting a electric trolling motor on it. Now there are some kits out there that you can buy, but I thought this is the easiest, cheapest way to go. Go buy yourself some treated wood. This is a 2x6, that's a 2x4. So I bought a 12-foot piece of sheet and I cut it down to 4 feet. So this is just for one single one, 4 feet. And then I did a 1 foot piece of the 2x4. And then I screwed it in at the bottom with screws. And seems to work perfect. Now all I gotta do is adjust. Here's a little piece here that adjusts how high this stays and how much that stays out of the water. And to mount it, I'm going to use some either bungee cords, was my idea, some long bungee cords. And we'll either gonna go just literally all the way around the top like that with one and then attach it to another one that goes around underneath it, or I'm going to possibly put some hooks underneath it and then connect it with a bungee or even a tie strap possibly. I went with the 2x6 so that this doesn't roll forward or back, so it's a little bit wider, and I went a little bit over the edge there just in case I needed to weight it on that side. I'm going to put a chair, so the chair is either going to go directly over the top of the piece of the wood with a leg on that side and a leg on this side, and I'll just sit right over the top of the wood. Then I can grab and use the handle for forward for speeds and rotating, or you can also put the seat behind it or in front of it, whatever works best. Picked up this motor. It's just a 25-pound thrust, Sears. It's a really old model. Picked it up on Facebook. I think I paid $40. This one has a battery meter on it that'll tell you whether you're full or low. It's got reverse and forward, and then it has low speed, minimal speed, and high speed. It also has this off section, so I can just turn it off when I'm sitting, not using it. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. We've got the board all carpeted now. I've got screws screwed in from the bottom side up into the wood, and then I put 2 additional brackets here for additional support. We've carpeted everything so it's nice and clean. I've put hooks in that screw into the wood, and then I bought these bungee cords at Ace Hardware. They're 48 inches, which is 4 feet, and I got 2 of them. And pretty much just goes around. And as you can see, I do not even have this on the ground right now. And it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't lean forward or back with just the bungee cords on it. And it's not even falling over on my small little table here, or trying to lean off of it. But anyway, that's the finish there. We're gonna put a battery, probably just like a marine type car size battery back here. And since we have a little bit of weight here, we probably, instead of just centering the battery, we might move it over just slightly to that side to give it equal weight. And then I bought a beach chair. So that's my custom made electric trolling motor for my paddleboard. And then of course this motor is adjustable, so you'll be able to bring it up or keep it down all the way like it is to bring up the motor closer to the surface. All right, anyway, thanks for watching.